welcome. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today we'll start with the next session of Standard 8 Science, that is health and diseases. Now, previously, we have seen the infectious diseases like tuberculosis, hepatitis, dysentery, cholera. So all these things we had seen in the previous session. We had seen diseases, infectious diseases which are caused because of contamination of food, water, or some diseases which are caused by some vectors or some mediators like dengue, malaria, we have swine flu. So all these things we studied. Now we had studied about AIDS also. We'll see something that you should remember in case of AIDS. AIDS does not occur due to touching and sharing of food with HIV infected people. Now those who are HIV infected people, now it will not be transmitted to us by talking to them or sharing food with them, touching them. Nothing will happen. A behavior with HIV infected person must be normal. So it should be normal because it is not going to harm you. Now, infection through animals. Now, which measures are taken at your home to control the rats? Now, see, if rats are there in our house, what can we do? We can use that rat instrument trap, wherein we can catch the rat and then leave it outside. Or you can or you can just put off the holes or place from where the rat has come in, and it keeps on creating mess in the house. And also you should keep your, first of all, you should keep your houses neat and clean so that there is no dirty place left where it can come. Now, why is it necessary to take care of our domestic dog, cats and birds? So see, it is necessary to take care of the domestic cat, birds, what you see, because you love them, you take care of them. Even they share the same feeling. Even if there is a cat or dog, they come near you because even they have that bond of love with you. Also, you must take care of them because see, if you should keep them healthy. If they are not healthy, then they will be succumbed to diseases, and that may be infectious and it will cause infection to us. So that is why you should take care of them. Now, is there any relation between pigeons, stray animals and human health? Now see, this pigeon, the excreta of the pigeon, it contains a large number of harmful bacteria. So this will, what it will happen, so if it comes in contact with you, now that bacteria is not harmful for its intestinal tract, but that is harmful for humans. So like these things are there from the excreta or something, it is harmful to us. Even the stray animals, if they are infected with something and through bite or saliva, if it is coming in our body, we also will get infection. Now, what are the effects of rat, cockroaches? Now, see, rats and cockroaches, they also, they move in dirty places, and from there they come inside our house. If they are in our kitchen, they will go, in our utensils and all. So they can spread germs on them. And if we are using that same utensils for cooking, then the germs and what things they bring, dirt will go inside our body. So like we should keep away from our cooking things and also from our other things also. So they can be dangerous at times. Now, rabies. Now see, rabies is a viral disease. Now it is caused by rabies laxa virus. Now it occurs due to the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat or etc. Now remember, it is a neurotropic disease, means it will attack your brain through neurons, that is nerves. So it affects your nervous system. Now, hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms. Hydrophobia means the fear of water. The person who suppose who has got rabies, he will start fearing from water. So that is known as hydrophobia. So that is one of the symptoms of this disease. Now see, it is very fatal disease, means it is very dangerous or deadly disease. Now, however, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before the onset of symptoms. Onset of symptoms means before it starts, you get starting the symptom, before that only you should go and take the vaccination. So don't wait. Now, symptoms start to appear within 90 to 175 days. Within 90 to 175 days, it will start, the symptoms will be seen. Now you don't have to wait in 90 days. You should go quickly and get vaccination done. Now see what are the symptoms. You will get fever for 2 to 12 weeks or exaggeration in behavior. Now exaggeration means what? From your normal behavior you are acting very worse, or you are getting very excited, or your behavior has fully changed. Now that is exaggeration. Hydrophobia, as you all know, that is fear of water. Now see why the animals and their living places should not be near the kitchen. As you know, the excreta and all dirty things what they bring with them. So for cages, if it is there in cages also, the excreta the excreta may contain harmful bacteria or something. So that may come into our kitchen and into our food. So that is why you should keep away from the kitchen. Now, non-infectious disease. Rabies symptoms, you know, it is given previously. Now, non-infectious disease. Now, diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts. Now, it will not occur through infections or like through air or something like that, or through water or through body contact. So, such diseases which don't spread, they are known as a non-infectious disease. Now, such diseases, they arise in the human body due to certain reasons, or some, you know, it is not functioning properly, something wrong is happening with your system. So some diseases occur. Now cancer. Now uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth in your body is known as cancer. Now see, there are two types. One is the benign cancer, one is malignant cancer. Now malignant cancer is very dangerous, deadly cancer. You know, it can take life. Now malignant tumors which are there, they are not cancerous cells. Now, cancer can occur in various organs like mouth, lungs, tongue, skin, stomach, breast, uterus. So, all these these are organs can get cancer. Now, what are the reasons? Now, consumption of tobacco, hookah, smoking, as you all know, alcoholism, drinking alcohol, lack of fiber content, eat fruits and leafy vegetables in food, excessive consumption of junk food like pizzas, burgers, don't eat such things from outside, or sometimes of many possible things. This Chinese food and all, you should not have all these. What chemicals they are using in that can cause cancer also. So heredity may also be a reason. You know, heredity means what? Something that you got from your father or from your grandfather. Now it may be genetic, so it is coming from there. It may happen like that also, that heredity is one of the reasons. Now what will be the symptoms? Now you will get chronic cough. People will get chronic cough. Chronic means what? Long-term cough. And also the voice will become hoarse. Hoarse means rough and harsh voice. Difficulty in swallowing. They will not be able to swallow what they are chewing or eating. Incurable scar and inflammation. If they get hurt, then it is not incurable and stuck. Then there is a burning in the scar. Lumps in the breast. In the breast there will be lump formation. Unexplained weight loss. You will not know the reason why you are losing so much of weight. Now see, modern diagnostic and treatment of cancer. Now various techniques like this you must have heard. CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy. Their treatment along with the conventional methods which they have used for cancer treatment, that is chemotherapy and radiation injection. You know, they bombard the cells with the radiation so that the cancerous cells can be killed. And then modern techniques like robotic and laparoscopic surgery are also followed. Now robotic and laparoscopic surgery are also followed. Now laparoscopic means what? Now in normal surgery they have to cut a big part, and then inside they have to do the surgery. Now in laparoscopic they do a small incision and then they put a tubular thing inside, and with that, and then that it has a camera on that, and that can be visualized on a monitor, and then easily they can do surgery with that. Now see, do you remember any person drinking the sugar-free tea or avoiding consumption of sweets? What may be the possible reason for this? Now see, some people they don't eat too much of sweet, or they don't eat only sweet, and in tea also they drink sugar-free tea. Why is that? Because the glucose level in their body is not controlled. So that is why they get diabetes. Now diabetes is the reason why they do like this. So diabetes, the hormone insulin produced in pancreas, they control the level of sugar, glucose in the blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. So now see, a pancreas. Now there are cells in the pancreas called islets of Langerhans, which produce this insulin. Now if there is some problem with those cells, they will secrete low insulin. So the glucose, it will not be controlled with the help of low insulin. So right amount of insulin should be released. So this disorder is known as diabetes. Now what the symptoms should not be ignored? Frequent urination of night. In night again and again you feel like urination, increased obesity or weight loss. Either you will be obese or means you will put on weight too much or you will lose weight. Reasons for diabetes: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise, mental stress. Even if there is a mental stress, obesity is there, means a lot of weight is there. Heredity means it has come from our parents or grandparents, and lack of physical exercise. Now you should do exercise. Now see, following the proper diet, if you take proper diet, do exercise, take medicines under supervision of doctor, helps to keep the diabetes under control. It will keep the diabetes under control. Now see, India has largest number of diabetic patients in the world. At present, approximately 7 crore diabetic patients are present in our country. Oh my God, so many are present. So you should be careful, and you should tell others also about that. How to control that and how to live life in that according to the measures what we can take when a person has diabetes. Now heart disease. Now efficiency of the heart disease due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Now see, if there is a decreased blood supply to our heart muscles, the oxygen is not getting, that time you will start getting that severe pain in the chest and heart attack will come. Now one should not ignore these symptoms. Now see, what are the symptoms? Severe chest pains. If severe chest pain is there, then you should not avoid at all. You should immediately run to the doctor. Now pain in the shoulders, neck, arms, cramps in the hand. Cramps means a severe pain by contraction of muscles, uneasiness, tremors. Now reasons of heart attack. Now smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercises, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety, all these reasons are for their heart attack to come. Now we'll see heart disease, how all things they do for heart disease. It's angioplasty, bypass surgery, all these are things that they do to make the heart work properly. Then there is a open heart surgery, there is a heart transplant, installation of stents or installation of pacemaker. All these things are related to heart disease, what they do to make your heart proper so that you can survive. First aid for heart disease. First call 108 for ambulance. If anybody is suffering from that heart attack, he has suffered a heart attack or he's got the heart attack, so you have to first call the ambulance and check the consciousness of the patient by shaking the shoulders. If he is conscious, you have to check that. Keep the patients lying on the back in the horizontal position on hard surface and perform compression only like support. Now COLS, it is the guideline of CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation, wherein you have to press in the middle of the chest. You have to keep on pressing at least 30 minutes at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. So this you have to keep on pressing to the heart till the first aid has arrived or the ambulance has arrived. Sorry. In that way you can save the life of that person. Now see, have you ever seen your parents taking decoction? Decoction is something like, see, the herbs which are there, like tulsi and you can the bay leaf, all these things. Whatever this like ginger, what our grandparents they do. They put that in water. They boil the water. They make a concentrated solution of that, and they drink in terms of cough or cold. So that concentrated liquid what you get now after evaporating, that is known as decoction. Now see, misuse of medicines. Sometimes some people take the medicines without prescription of doctor. See, we should never take medicines without the doctor's prescription. If the doctor says, because you don't know what are the side effects of that medicine, what will have, something may happen to you, because every drug has its side effects. So what you are taking, even that, for how much mg you are taking, that also you should know. If it becomes an overdose, then it may be life taking. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. Overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, that is kidneys, liver. So we should not take overdose. Overdose of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, that is loose motion, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. So all these things occur when you take medicines without knowing or without the prescription of doctor. Now see, generic drug. Now what is generic medicine? Now generic drugs are the drugs that contain the same chemical substance as the original branded drug it is having. So when the expiry is over, they have the patents, means it is in their name. So you can't take that medicine and sell. So but after that patent is expired, then it is, you are able to sold. So it is sold in a cheaper rate. So that is, poor people can afford that. But it is having that same API or the active pharmaceutical ingredient which works. It is having the same thing. Now generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. So there is no patent. These medicines at par in quality with branded medicines. Now at par means it is equal in quality. What is that main ingredient in that which is going to react in our body for the illness? It is same, it is there in this medicine also. The production cost of these medicine is low due to fewer expenses on research, because it is already research is already done on that it can cure so and so disease. So you don't have to carry out research on that. So production cost is low because the formula is already available how to make it. Now lifestyle and diseases. Now lifestyle includes the daily routine and type of food. How your daily routine is, how you are eating your food. Are you eating healthy food or not eating healthy food? Are you doing exercises? Nowadays habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed at late night. So that is going to affect your health. Till if you are not sleeping till 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock and then you are sleeping after that and getting up at 12 o'clock, that is going to affect your body. Now frequent changes in meal timings. Take meal at proper time. Lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, don't eat food from outside, etc. have been increased. Due to this, people are getting sick frequently. So doing all these things makes you sick frequently, means again and again. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lower, people should follow the right lifestyle. It must be sufficient sleep and at the right time it should be. Right food, yogasana, pranayam and physical exercise. Now physical exercise, it should be done according to its own capacity, how you can do. Don't get stressed out or exhausted and go on doing the exercise. See how much your body capacity is to do that particular exercise. Now pranayam and yogasana should be performed under the supervision of expert. You can see the videos of pranayams and yogasanas also. Now vaccination is an important to prevent the infectious disease. So you can get a chart from the nearby clinic when the vaccination should be done. Now see, Government of India declared the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July 2015. In this scheme, best quality medicines are made available in affordable prices. Affordable means in which price you are able to buy to the citizen. Jan Aushadhi stores are launched for this purposes. Now, you see, Indian companies export the generic medicines on a large scale. However, those medicines are sold under brand with high price in India. So it is sold at high price in India. The generic medicines they are sold, so people are not able to buy them. Poor people. Now in America, 80% medicines are used as generic. Due to this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there. So they use a generic medicine, because of that billions of money is saved. Now see, some of the health awareness days are there. 7th April is World Health Day. 29th September, it is World Heart Day. 14th June is World Blood Donation Day, which went last month. And 14th November is World Diabetes Day. Now see, understand the importance of blood donation. 1 unit blood donated by a person can fulfill the need of 3 persons at a time. So if you donate 1 unit of blood, that is 525 ml. Now you children can't donate after when you are at a proper age and you are eligible for that time you can donate. For example, from the blood, what all we get? RBC we get, WBCs we get, platelets we get. So 3 different things we get. So 3 different people, they might be requiring these 3 different things. So you can save 3 people at a time. So one can save life of 12 persons by donating the blood for 4 times a year. So read the chapter again. I hope you understood. Next session will take the next chapter. Thank you.